If you have total number of payments value, present value or business loan value, quarterly payments value, you can calculate interest rate per quarter value by using rate function. Rate function calculates the interest rate value. This function active cell reference D7, click financial arrow button, scroll down, click rate function. This function has 6 arguments: NPER, PMT, PV, FV, and type arguments have same properties as well as have PMT function, FV function, NPER function, and PV function. Scroll down. This function has 6 arguments. This argument is called guess argument. This argument is optional, like FV and type arguments. In this argument, type your guess for what the rate will be. If you leave blank this argument, in default 0.1 is entered. That is equal to 10%. Your guess on interest rate is 10%. Scroll up. In NPER box, select this cell reference. Press tab key. In PMT box, select this cell reference. Press tab key. In PV box, select this cell reference. Leave blank these 3 arguments. Click OK. Rate function returns 0.58% interest rate per quarter by using the values of NPER, PV, and PMT. As this function depends on the values of NPER, PV, and PMT, if you change these values, the value returned by rate function is also changed. Active this cell. Click in formula bar. Type 7. Press enter key. You can see by changing the PV value, the value returned by rate function is also changed. Active this cell. As this value depends on the value of these two cells, if you change any value of these two cells, the value returned by rate function is also changed. Active this cell. Type 8. Press enter key. The interest rate value is changed. Again active this cell. Type 13. Press enter key. The interest rate value is also changed. Now type 10 in cell reference D13. Type 10. Press enter key. The interest rate value is also changed. In this way, you can calculate the interest rate on a loan by using the rate function.